bring in our one-man justice squad. He's back with us. Great criminal defense attorney, Jeff Gold. Jeff, I'm doing a little research here. Oregon, the only state that really protects the unpaid intern. What gives here?
Well, the law has not caught up with the reality. Look, the reality is every 19-year-old now in college is looking for an unpaid internship. Look around Turner, at CNN, at HLN. Look in the legal field, in the medical field. That's what kids do now, and you're going to say that this 19-year-old girl is not protected. Well, she is protected in another way. Touching somebody's butt is sexual contact in almost all states, and she can file a criminal charge. What happened here, so that the viewers know, is that she couldn't sue technically under the law because she wasn't paid. But this judge could have taken a leap, and other judges should start taking a leap that when it looks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, it's a duck. And when somebody's an intern, they're looking to that boss, just like any employee is, for the next thing, the opportunity. They want to please that boss. That's the whole theory of sexual harassment, is that these interns, just like any employee, wants to please the boss, and so they have no power in the situation. It's the powerlessness that makes sexual harassment. Now, just remember, she could file charges against this guy, and ultimately, this guy was also accused of doing this to another individual and has been fired himself in the particular case. But the law has to catch up with the reality.
Yeah, we know that there's a city councilwoman, Gail Brewer. She wants to amend the law to include unpaid interns. And here's a quote. It's kind of summing up what you're saying here, Jeff, from this young woman's lawyer. There's no reason to allow an intern who's young and vulnerable to be sexually harassed. Because that's what we're talking about here. Young, vulnerable.
Yes.
Who wants to make more of an impression than the intern? I mean, and it's even joked about the casting couch in Hollywood. Well, the saying goes in any field, or could.
Absolutely, absolutely, Mike. This is all our kids, are now in college. When I was young, we all worked, but you know what? My kids all did unpaid internships all throughout college and even graduate school. So we're talking about the most vulnerable of all, 19-year-old girls, 19-year-old boys even. So yeah, the law has got to catch up. It's outrageous. The judge did the right thing technically under the law, and she can file a criminal charge against this guy, but it's got to catch up to the reality.
Yeah, way to bring it home, though. Really, we're sitting here, and it's like that's our kids, whether they're that age now or soon to be 5, 10 years. That's our kids trying to impress somebody to maybe get a job down the road. Jeff, great work as always. All right, hey, coming up if you